Hey y'all, let's make a tie-dyed rag wreath. Hey y'all, I was at the dollar store today and I picked up this 14-inch wire wreath form, and I thought, let's make a rag wreath out of it. Basically, for a rag wreath, you'll need material and scissors. I have a ton of tie-dyed scarves. I picked 2 of the scarves that I wanted to use today because they were dyed very similarly and the colors were very spring-like. These 2 scarves are about 22 inches wide and 62 inches long. So we're just shy of 2 yards, 1 3/4 yards, maybe, for our length. I'm going to fold the scarf in half, end to end, and then in half again lengthwise, because I need to cut the scarf in half, and I want to cut it in half equally. So along this fold, I'm going to take my scissors and cut the length of the scarf, and that way I will have 4 pieces. Now that that's done, I'm going to fold this scarf and put it away, and do the same to the second scarf. Folding it in half end to end, and then folding it a half again lengthwise, and then cutting the scarf along the fold to make 4 pieces. Next, I'm going to take my ruler and make a mark along the ruler about every inch. That way I'll be cutting 1-inch wide strips of fabric, and each strip will be about 11 inches long. Now take one of the strips of fabric, and we're going to tie the first strip onto the first 2 pieces of wire. If you look across, there's 4 pieces of wire. So we'll be tying them on 1, 2, 2, 3, and 3, 4. Take the next piece of fabric and tie it across the 2 and 3 wire and make a knot. Take another piece of fabric and you're going to tie it across the 3, 4 wires. This is the premise of the entire wreath, is tying your strips of fabric on the 1, 2, the 2, 3, and the 3, 4. Now let's get busy. Let's see what we've got done so far. This looks really cool. The back is even just as cool as the front. It's really nice and full. If you want a fuller look, push all the fabric down tighter onto the end of the wire form and keep adding your fabric by tying it on. If not, go ahead and space them out. You can slide them around the form real easily and space them out, and you still have a nice full design. You can see that the wreath form is sectioned off, and in each section I am putting 14 knots per section. 14 in the 1-2, 14 in the 2-3, and so on and so forth per section. Take any of the stray pieces that are in the back and go ahead and push them through to the front. I do like the back of the design just as much as the front of the design. There it is. Give it a good crunch. Separate the pieces of material. Give them some texture. And look what you did. Look at this beautiful tie-dyed rag wreath that we made. Expect to take about 2 hours or so between the cutting and the tying, but it's going to be so worth it in the end. And remember, be peaceful, be kind. It's important. And I'll talk to you soon.